guys, now I got a box of candy. I already opened it. Now it tastes different, but the cover is like the same. Now let's see how it tastes. Ooh, I'll read it down. It smells like chocolate. It's good chocolate, but it's like sour and creamy. Oh. Okay. Okay. Is this good? This is really good. That's why. Okay. Let's get that one later. Now, this is the first one. This is the first one. Let's open it. What? Wait. I'm gonna ask my mom for if she told me this.
Hala recording wader. Ger pauser. Jerkes an tillach nimmer Guinness Sudan. The pause water.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's see how much this is. I'm gonna open it. Tell my mom first to open. Okay, let's see how much it is. Let's see, it tastes good. Let's see if it tastes good.
Hello.
And it's the same thing. It's like chocolate, but it tastes different inside. Yeah. And it's like cream in it. It's like chocolate. Ugh. It tastes a little hard. It tastes a little. I tastes absolutely. No, just this. This is. What's this one? This is that one. Can't open it.
Yeah. Different types of candy she's opening.
Okay, let's save for that for another video. Now let's see this. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this video. Peace out and have peace out. Bye.